The world of aerial photography and videography is constantly evolving, with DJI consistently at the forefront of innovation. The drone community is abuzz with excitement as rumors and leaks hint at the imminent release of two highly awaited models, the DJI Air 3S and the DJI Mini 5 Pro. These upcoming drones promise to bring significant advancements in camera technology, flight capabilities, and user experience, catering to both hobbyists and professionals alike. In this article, we will thoroughly explore the rumored features, potential pricing, and speculated release dates of these models, providing you with a detailed insight into what these drones might offer. One of the most talked about features of the DJI Air 3S is the potential inclusion of a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor. This upgrade could dramatically enhance the drone's ability to perform in low-light conditions, produce sharper images with greater detail, and offer a wider dynamic range for capturing stunning visuals. A sensor of this size would allow the Air 3S to stand out in the market, especially among drones that cater to enthusiasts who prioritize image quality. The importance of a larger sensor cannot be overstated. A 1-inch CMOS sensor would capture more light, which is crucial for shooting in various lighting conditions. This would result in images and videos with richer details and less noise, even in challenging environments. For professional videographers and photographers, this could be a major selling point, making the Air 3S a versatile tool for both commercial and recreational use. The pricing of the DJI Air 3S is another area of interest, with the rumor mill suggesting that DJI might introduce the Air 3S at a more competitive price point, similar to the Air 2S, which retails for $999. This would make the Air 3S more accessible to a broader range of users, from hobbyists to professionals, without compromising on the advanced features it offers. Introducing the Air 3S at a competitive price could position it as a versatile option in the market, appealing to both budget-conscious consumers and those seeking high-end performance. This strategy could help DJI capture a larger share of the drone market, especially among users looking for a balance between affordability and advanced features. The release date of the DJI Air 3S is still under wraps, with insiders speculating that it might debut around July 2024, following the timeline of the Air 3's release in July 2023. However, as with any rumors, it's essential to take this information with caution until DJI officially announces the product. If the Air 3S is released in mid-2024, it would likely coincide with the peak of the drone market's summer season, a strategic move that could maximize sales and visibility. Timing the release around major industry events or holidays could also generate additional buzz and excitement among potential buyers.